Last year, more than 90% of our piloted that we start with Gen AI made it into production. And I think that relates more to the focus approach that ING had. Focus on big priorities with high value, no matter the complexity. In retail, we worked on hyper-personalization. We created a tool which allows all the marketeers globally to create hyper-personalized messages and campaigns for our customer. And more than 4.6 million customers received a message which was highly personalized. Second area is in credit decision. We deployed machine learning that essentially helps approving loans instantly, providing significant and faster access to credit for our customer. Another thing that we worked on, it was in the area of customer service. We were one of the first banks to deploy Gen AI customer-facing chatbot, which essentially they help reduce friction for our customer. And today, we have many of these chatbots live in production in most of our retail countries, and they automate 65 to 75% of all the basic questions that customer can have. That's the beginning, so we are now working to make this chatbot smarter, so with the ability to execute actions, but also moving into new technology like voice. There is a new area that we are also investigating, which is agentic AI. Agentic AI is really new, and it's very complex, and we decided to start in mortgages. ING is one of the biggest mortgage lender in Europe, and we want to use agentic AI to augment the process of approving a mortgage. So have human interact with a machine that can help extracting data, checking against policies, and creating documents for approval. In wholesale banking, we worked in using Gen AI to automate part of Know Your Customer checks. This is about data extraction, and the same capability we used in supporting our front office in creating sustainable deals. These deals require a lot of data processing. They need to have a comparison of companies against peers, benchmark, and we use Gen AI to make the process more efficient. On top of that, we are prioritizing new areas. So we are testing how to help our front office staff with a tool that will help their productivity, so preparing a meeting brief with a customer so that they can focus more in building their relationship. The third domain, which is key for ING, is operation. In operation, we're using a blend of machine learning and also generative AI to change the paradigm in anti-money laundering. Machine learning can help in detecting transactions that are flagged as suspicious and really focus on what are the real risks, so improving the efficiency of this model without compromising on risk, keeping risk levels same or higher. We are also working significantly in software engineering, where more than 5,000 software engineers are now using AI as a support, as a pair programming tool in their daily life, and they report higher productivity, but also a shortened time to market, which is really important for ING.